Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will take a video for how to do the weekly maintenance for this DTF printer. Okay, power on the printer that we can see. Even this the carriage moving up, that's we do the power cut, power off. Okay, so that will stop in the middle of the machine. Then we can easily to moving this carriage left to right. The first thing we should be to do a cleaning the wiper from the cleaning unit. Okay, so the wiper be here. This place. Okay, this is moving up. Now, for easy to understand, we take the demo, the cleaning unit. That will be more easy to show the parts of. Okay, turn it on. Then use the tab of the cotton swab with this cleaning solution that's coming with the printer. Okay. Now get the cleaning solution and just clean this wiper, the both side to be this soft wiper, be clean. Okay. The next step should be clean the face of the print head. Now we can try to moving this carriage to the left side of a printer. Then we can easily to moving this cover from the window. Okay, so we same to use the cotton swab with the cleaning solution to be clean the heads. That we can see, or most of the ink will dry on the face. You can see. Okay, for the demo, that's more easy to understand. Even with moving, that's the print head to the left side, use this cotton swab. We can clean the both sides and to be the face of the print head to both sides. Make sure all clean by our hands. Keep slowly to print the head clean. Okay. That we can see the ink already dry on the side of the print here. So we clean out the print heads. Okay, the next step that we should be to be cleaning this grating strip. Use the type of this one. Okay. Use this one just to both sides. Get clean. Slowly to clean. And also that we can see something already clean. Change another side to the right. This grating strip will control the print quality, so this is very important. Okay, let's finish. Okay, this step we should be to be maintenance this carriage, the carriage. That we should be ready a type of lube oil. That's with this one with type of tools. Keep it open and connect them. Just feel each both side, right and the left side, have a hole during this place. Okay, for more easy to see clearly, that will radio special parts like carriage the both side. There's a hole both side to fit a little bit. Yeah, both side, right and left. Like the right side, just a little bit, and after then we can try to moving this carriage sometimes and do once more. Okay, so this weekly we do maintenance for the carriage. That's you can keep more better to running. That's the printer. Okay. The last step that we have to bottle the back side of the machine. Okay. We should be to take one of them. That's the waste ink bottle. We need to do empty this bottle. Just keep moving out, then open the cover and keep empty. Okay, then set back. And the another one, that's for moisturizer. We also can get this the bottle, this bottle coming with the packing, and try to open this cover to be fill this each week 20 ml for this bottle. Just open this one and fill into this bottle. Okay. So that's all should be the step of the weekly maintenance for a DTF printer. Hope this will help you to working on your job. Thanks for your watching. So this all step should be for daily and the weekly maintenance for this DTF printer. Hope this video will help you to working on your machine. Enjoy your work. Bye bye.